Hello everyone and welcome back to exercise number 24 of the SolidWorks Basic Tutorial series. In this video, we're going to be designing a swivel plate. Now, as always, in designing this part, we're going to be implementing many of the SolidWorks features, namely the extruded boss views feature and the extruded cut feature. The schematic drawing for exercise number 24 showcases the isometric view, top view, and side view. All dimensions here are in millimeters. And notice here that we're going to be using a lot of these sketch tools here, and especially in sketching the base plate or the base profile of this component. Anyway, so with that aside, let's get started with exercise number 24. Okay, so we begin by creating a new SolidWorks part. We copy exercise number 24 into SolidWorks. And studying the image here, we see that the easiest way to begin modeling this part is to sketch the base profile of the component. In this case, notice how it's symmetrical about the x-axis. So it's sufficient that we only draw one half of the component and then we mirror it to the other side to save time. So to get started, we select top plane, sketch, move this to the side. And from the origin, we draw a circle. And this circle should have a diameter of 76 millimeters. Now this circle, the diameter of this circle corresponds to the radius right here, which is 38. Next, we're going to sketch the top profile here using the line tool. So go ahead and select line. And from this point, go ahead and sketch half the profile. Then go ahead and close off the figure. Select Smart Dimension and the distance according to the image here, of course. You can see that the distance from this point all the way to this edge is 124 millimeters. So the distance between this edge and this edge should be 124 millimeters. Likewise, the distance for this edge should be 43 divided by 2. Why? Because the overall length is 43. And since we're only drawing one half, it's divided by 2. All right. Now, notice how the distance from this center of this circle all the way to this edge is 29, right? So the center from this point to this point should be 29 millimeters. Is there anything else? By default, this edge should be already defined to be 16.5. And yeah, I think the profile is fully defined. So now I'm going to trim entities. And before we actually start trimming things, let's close off this line to the other side, use trim entities, leaving only one half of the profile. Set the relation to tangent. All right, so now go to Features, Extruded Boss Base, and we're going to extrude this to a thickness of, as we can see here, it should be 29 minus 14, which should give us 15 millimeters. So this should be 15. So go ahead and select the sketch, and then select OK. Now we need to mirror this extrusion to the other side, creating the overall base profile. So select mirror. Now here it's going to ask us for the face or plane we want to mirror on. Go ahead and select this face. And for the features to mirror, you can select any other face on the other side. Then go ahead and select OK. All right. Phase 1 completed. Phase 2 involves creating the holes and the extruded the extruded cylinder here in the middle, along with the hole. So go ahead and select this face, sketch using the circle tool, draw 2 circles, 1 and 2. These circles represent the holes as shown in the isometric view. Select Smart Dimension, and these 2 holes have a diameter of 19 millimeters. So this should be 19. And the diameter of this circle is 19 as well. The distance between the centers of these 2 circles should be 48 millimeters. And the distance between this point and this point also should be 48. Now go to Features, This time select Extrude Cut. And we're going to cut this all the way through the component. As we see here from the detailed drawing, the hole on the component goes all the way to the other side, right? So there's an arrow here at the bottom, just drag it to the outside and then select OK. Again, select this face, sketch, select circle, and from the origin, draw one larger circle, select Smart Dimension, and as you can see here, the base of this cylinder should have a diameter of 43 millimeters. So this should be 43 millimeters. Go to Features, Extrude Boss Base. We're going to extrude this again according to the image to a height of 33 millimeters. So this should be 33. And then select OK. Now we're going to work on the opening, the hole at the top. So select this face, sketch, circle, and from the origin draw a circle, assign a diameter of 24 millimeters. So this should have a diameter of 24 millimeters. Go to Features, Extrude Cut. And again, we're going to cut this hole all the way through to the other side and then select OK. Finally, we need to work on this offset or extrude offset. Again, select this space, sketch, select Convert Entities. Go ahead, select Trim Entities again, and then get rid of these two lines right here. Select Offset Entities, and from the image, we see that these two lines should be, or actually there should be an offset distance of 10 millimeters. By default, it's already 10, according to the dialog box here to the left. Right. Just before that, select Trim Entities and delete these two lines right here. Again, select Offset Entities, and then go ahead and select this profile, but again, click the Reverse Direction button, or the tick box right here to reverse direction. And then select OK. Close off the sketch by using the line tool. Go to Features, Extrude Boss Base. And again, we're going to extrude this to a thickness of 14 millimeters. So this should be 14. Select OK. Edit the image. Set the background to plain white. Assign a material. ASI 1020. Apply and close. Alright, so that concludes exercise number 24. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe. I'd love to hear your comments as well. Until we meet again, I'll see you all in exercise number 25. Bye-bye.